Dear students, in the previous video, we have discussed the methods for finding out the SCF. Now, in this video, we will discuss the methods for finding out the LCM. Now, I have told you earlier that there are two methods for finding the LCM. The first one is the prime factorization method and the next one is the division method. Now, first of all, we will discuss the prime factorization method. Now, see here, the first example is find the LCM of 15, 30, 45. So, what I have done the prime factorization of 15 here. Okay, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Now 30, 2 15s are 30, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Now 45, 3 15s are 45, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Now see, I have written the factors. I have written the prime numbers in the form of multiplication. 15 is equal to 3 into 5. 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. Now see here, what is common? This 3 is common and this 5 is common, and rest 2 and 3. Now see here, 2 and 3, the rest of the 2 and 3 I have written here, and the common one 3 I have written here, and the common one 5 I have written here. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, 90. So the LCM is 90 here. Now LCM by division method. Now here I have taken three numbers. The question is find the LCM of 48, 64 and 50. Now I have written all the three numbers together, 48, 64, 50. Now you can see here that all the three numbers are divisible by 2. So I am going to divide first of all by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 24. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 2 32, 2 into 32, 64. Then 2 into 25, 50. Now you can see that 24 and 32 are divisible by 2, but 25 is not divisible by 2. So in the LCM by division method, what we do, we will consider 2. We will leave 25 as it is, okay? But 24 and 32 can be divided by 2. So we are going to divide these two numbers by 2 and we will leave 25 as it is. So 2 12s are 24, 2 16s are 32, 25 as it is. Now again, I am going to use 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8 and 25 can't be divided by 2. So leave 25 as it is. Again, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, leave 25 as it is. Again, 2 now. 3 can't be divided by 2, so leave 3 and 25 as it is. 2, 3 will be as it is, 2 2s are 4. Then 25 will be as it is. Again, 3 will be as it is, 2 1s are 2, 25 will be as it is. Now what we will do, we will use the next prime number, which is 3. 3 1s are 3, 1 will be as it is and 25 will be as it is. Now I am going to use 5. 5, 1 will be as it is, 1 will be as it is and 5 5s are 25. Again, 1, these two 1 will be as it is and 5 1s are 5. So we will divide the numbers till we will get 1 at the end. Okay. Now the LCM is, see here, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. I have written the numbers here, prime numbers in the form of multiplication. The answer is 4800. Now the question number 8 is find the LCM of the following numbers. Dear students, the A part is 15 and 85. In this question, it is not particularly mentioned that you have to use the division method or the prime factorization method. So you can use either of the two methods. दोनों में से कोई भी एक मेथड का यूज आप कर सकते हो. मैं यहाँ पे किसका यूज कर रही हूँ? I am using here division method. Okay, see here 15, 85. Now here you can see कि 15 is divided by 3. You can use 3. But 85, it can't be divided by 3. So we will leave 85 as it is. Now 3 5s are 15 and leave 85 as it is. Now previously what I told you, that while finding out the LCM and SCF, you will use only the prime numbers. So 3 is prime number. Now again, 5 and 85 both are divided by 5. So 5 1s are 5 and 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35. So 5 into 17, 85. Now here 17 is a prime number, so it can be divided only by 17. So 1 will remain as it is. 17 1s are 17. So what is the LCM of 15 and 85? 3 into 5 into 17. The answer is 255. Now the B part is 9 and 27. Now again I have written both the numbers together, 9 comma 27. Now we can use 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27. Again we can use 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now again we can use 3, 1 will remain as it is, 3 1s are 3. So the LCM of 9 and 27 is 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 27. Now the question number 9 is find the LCM by using prime factorization method. Now dear students, make sure if in the question it is mentioned the method, then you have to do that question with that particular method. That means अगर question में given है, इस question में क्या given है कि आपको LCM find out करना है by prime factorization method, तो आप इस question में division method का use नहीं कर सकते हो. अगर question में mention नहीं है कोई भी method, then only either you can use the division method or you can use the prime factorization method. So in this question, which method we have to use? Prime factorization method. Now the A part is 82 comma 92. Now do the factors of 82 here. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Okay, now 41 is a prime number. It can be divided only by 41. So 41 1s are 41. Now 92, 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now 23 1s are 23. Now 82 is equal to 2 into 41. 92 is equal to 2 into 2 into 23. Now see here, this 2 is common. So we will write only from these two 2. We will write 1 2. Now see here, we will write this 2, then 23, then 41. The answer is 3772. Now the B part is 15 comma 30 and 45. Again I have done the prime factorization of 15. 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. 30 we can divide it by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Then 45, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. I've written the factors. Now you can see this 3 is common and this 5 is common. So, and the rest of 2 and 3 are remaining. So 2, 3, the common 3 and the common 5. The answer is 90. Now the question number 4 is, if a number is divisible by 5 and 6, अगर कोई number 5 और 6 दोनों से ही divisible है, by what other number that number will be divisible? तो वो number और कौन कौन से ऐसे numbers हैं जिनसे divisible होगा? So in this question, the solution I have done. Now first of all, what we will do, we will find out the LCM of 5 and 6 here. So 5, I am using the prime factorization method here. 5 1s are 5, then 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. 5 is equal to 5, okay? Now 6 is equal to 2 into 3. So what is the LCM here? 2 into 3 into 5. Now 30. What we got? 30. That means that number will be divisible by 30 also. Now what are the factors of 30? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. So that number will also be divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6, 10 and 15. That means the number will be divisible by 30 and its factors. What are these? These are the factors of 30. Now let me explain you with the help of an example. Now take a number which is divisible by both 5 and 6. Now here I am taking 300. Okay, 300. When you will divide 300 by 5, it is divisible by 5 also and it is divisible by 6 also. Now see here, if a number is divisible by 5 and 6 both, then what we have find out? We have find out the LCM, and what the conclusion we got? It will be divisible by 30 also and its factors also. Now see, is it divisible by 30? Yes, it is divisible by 30. Now see, is this number divisible by 30 factors also? Is it divisible by 2? Yes, it is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3 also. 5, 6, 10 and 15. All these numbers are dividing this number. Okay, so this number will be divisible by 30 also and its factor also. Now let's just take another example. Now I am going to take 60. Now 60 is divisible by both 5 and 6. Okay, this number is divisible by 5 and 6. Now see here, is it divisible by 30? Yes, 32s are 60. Now is it divisible by its factor also? Yes, it is divisible by 2 also, by 3, 5, 6, 10 and 15 also. Okay, Now the 10th question is LCM of three numbers is 30. What are the three numbers? Now simply what we have to do, we have to do the factors of 30. Okay, so 2 15s are 30, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. So the three numbers what we get are 2, 3 and 5. Now you can find the LCM of these three numbers. What you will get? 30. So the three numbers are 2, 3 and 5. Now the 11th question is, in a long jump, three boys together from a particular spot. One boy covers a distance of 10 centimeter, second covers a distance of 50 centimeter, and third covers 70 centimeter. Find out the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps. So which distance you have to find out? See here, you have to find out the minimum distance. So what is the LCM here? Least common multiple. So minimum you are seeing here, so that is why what we will find out? We will find out the LCM. And if in a question it is as greatest or largest, then what you will find out? The SCF. That means minimum. जब minimum smallest के बारे में बात करेंगे तो क्या find out करेंगे? LCM. और जब greatest या largest के बारे में बात करेंगे तो क्या find out करेंगे? SCF. Okay, so here what we are going to find out the LCM. Now see here, distance covered by first boy 10 centimeter, distance covered by second boy 50 centimeter, and distance covered by third boy is 70 centimeter. Now minimum distance covered is equal to LCM of 10, 50 and 70. Here I have find out the distance by using the division method. Okay, I am finding out the LCM by using the division method. 10 into 10 comma 50 comma 70. Now see here, all the three numbers can be divided by 2. So 2 5s are 10, 2 25s are 50, and 2 into 35 70. Now we can use 5 here. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35. Now again we can use 5. We will leave 1 and 7 as it is. 5 1s are 5 and 1 and 7 we have written as it is. Now we can use 7. 1, both these 1 will be as it is. 7 1s are 7. So what is the LCM here? 2 into 5 into 5 into 7, that is 350. So what is the minimum distance covered? 350 centimeter. Don't forget to write the centimeter unit, is very important in the question. Okay, now the 12th question is, the length, breadth and height of a room are 60 centimeter. The next question is, the length, breadth and height of a room are 60 centimeter, 40 centimeter and 50 centimeter. What should be the greatest length of the tape which can measure the room exactly? So which tape we require the greatest length? So what we are going to find here? SCF. Now see here, length of room is equal to 60 centimeter, breadth of room is equal to 40 centimeter and height of room is equal to 50 centimeter. So the greatest length of tape is equal to SCF of 60, 40 and 50. Here I am going to find out the SCF with the help of long division method. Now see here, I am taking the two numbers that are 40 and 50. Okay, we will take 60 afterwards. Now 50 outside, 40 outside, 50 inside. Now 40 ones are 40. 10 will be the remainder. This remainder will be the divisor and the previous divisor will be the quotient here. 10 fours are 40. Now 60 is left. So what we will do? We will use the last divisor. Okay, 10. Okay, now inside we are going to take 60. 10 6 are 60. So what is the SCF here? 10. So what is the greatest length of tape? 10 centimeter. Again, don't forget to write the unit.